He's laying bricks. He's laying bricks.
He's driving a bike. He's driving a bike. He is driving a bike. He's fishing. He is fishing. He is walking. He is walking. He is walking. She is being sad. She is being sad. He is cooking. He is cooking. They are greeting with each other. They are greeting with each other. He is shopping. He is shopping. He is climbing the stairs. He is climbing the stairs. He is speaking from the stage. He is speaking from the stage.
If you want to learn English, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching.